Hello YouTube, Shelby here. We are, what is it, November 20th? Something like that. I don't know. It's Saturday in Boise, Idaho. We are out, gonna go ride 8th Street again. I haven't really gotten a good filming session out here, so I'm just gonna go ahead. We're gonna ride 8th Street. We're gonna ride down 8th Street basically, 8th Street trails, Trail 4, and some other trails that cross over on the e-bike, the 2020 Specialized Turbo Levo comp, and I'm just gonna film it. So my derailleur is really bad, so don't mind that. I'm probably gonna switch over to the wireless derailleur system so that I don't have to deal with adjusting this thing every ride or two. And should be good. Rained, a little overcast, but it's about 50 degrees and sunny out, which is good in Boise. So let's rock it, lock and load, and enjoy the downhill.
Yeah, we were going up, or when we were going down.
Yeah, there was a guy on this bike like halfway in the road.
Cool.
No, when we were going riding down.
Yeah, but you guys are just downhill so much faster. You're gonna fly. I know you guys.
I tried.
Really?
Yeah, we just
You guys fly.
Yeah.
we don't even touch the brakes.
That's the problem with them.
We're
in
gonna
front
be
of
pedaling
you.
while we're going.
Yeah,
Down the
we
steep
go
slope.
past the 20 miles per hour.
What's that?
You guys are nuts.
All right, we'll get some sections. It's pretty much the first part of the ride is a little bit of up and down at the top near Bogus Basin, and then we'll basically hit the crest up there in the clouds and drop into the rest of 8th Street. So should be sweet. Right. I'm gonna go ahead and click off until we get to the top, so I spare you guys some of the climbing footage. Cresting to the top. Typically you can see the entire valley from here and it's insane, but we got some heavy fog today, so that's what we get. Yeah. Did you hear that? No.
I can hear it.
Did you hear that? Yeah.
How you going?
Right away, we're going the other right away.
We do. I mean, he would. I mean, we would make room.
We
for
just
each other.
run right into each other.
Just be careful.
When they're going up,
I've had a
generally
close
they're
one.
not looking up high.
Really?
Well, it's hard for us to stop. Sometimes want to be in a position where.
I've only seen like 2 dirt bikes out here.
Here we go, dropping in. Rock. Try to get warmed up here a little bit. Get the juices flowing. Whew. Dirt's just primo today. Right. Try to double as many of these as possible. Not always the easiest going when they start going up, but right. Pretty fun. All right. A little bit of a lull. Right. A little bit of a leap there. Cleaned it out. Wait for them coming down. Start back on the next descent. Part of the next second descent, I guess. Starts to get a little more fun here, a little more technical. can go around both ways. There's a steep descent over there, but I think this section is a little more fun. A couple more turns. Alright. Let's see if they went that way. Nope, rolling around. But basically there's a straight down drop and the one a little more fun around the outside. Couple lulls in between the next descent. And little rocky section here. Not too bad. Gonna pick your line. Yeah, it's actually pretty smooth today. Looks like doing a little bit of trail work, maybe. All right. Definitely fun pumping through some of these sections, doubling the little rollers. All right. Hands are definitely a little cold with the wind. Pick a line, commit, and cruise. Yeah. We'll just sit here and wait a second for the folks to come down. Whew, nice little workout. We'll get a shot of Garrett or Tyler coming down this section here.
Hey, that is so fun. This thing I ride way faster on.
Woohoo! I can smell it. Yeah, I've never done it
Do you
before.
jump in the powder? Or you've never done it?
Never done it.
Oh, that'd be cool.
So they land probably. They're not gonna throw you out.
Yeah, I mean, no, they'll probably would let us do a drop if we wanted to. I mean, I guess they would, but you're paying for flight time, so you want to land and get going as quick as you can.
You still got a film strip on that thing.
Yeah.
So fresh.
Mid-trail filming.
We just had to hire helicopters.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
Ready? We're going again. Right. Little doubles. Oh, almost. Almost tripled it. How you doing? 3 more. All right. Little slow sections here and there, but nothing too bad. These guys are chilling. Oh, puddle, huh? I'll just wait till the next descent here. Here's the next little section. It's kind of fun. Drop in. A little bit of speed rolling. Yeah, lock and load, trot. A little dicey there, huh? But all right. Woo. All right. Whoa, my tires flat. Tires flat. Oh, okay. Got a flatty, huh? Sweet. Or burped it. Not quite sure. Whoa, this is sloppy. How you doing? Oh yeah, she's flat. Cool.
You can just ride all the way down on the rim?
Yep.
That's bad, dude. What hurt anything?
All right, well, thanks for watching. Got a flat tire on the last little descent there, so hopefully at least get to see some of the footage and the trail. And if you're ever out in Boise, hit us up. We'll ride Trail 4 up 8th Street. It's pretty fun.